Hi, machine vision is a great technology for factory automation. Just like robots are replacing human material or motor movement, that's the hands, machine vision has the ability to replace the visual as well as the cognitive ability of a factory worker. So imagine the potential it actually has. So here you have a system that's capable of doing things fast, accurate, consistently, and without the elements of human errors. However, how do you ensure that your machine vision system is accurate and is not producing errors or misclassifications? Hi, my name is Raghava Kashyap. I'm the CEO of Qualitas Technologies. And in this video, I'm going to give you a few tips on how you can adequately ensure that your machine vision system is running to the accuracy that you expect it to. So in most cases that we worked in machine vision systems, after it's installed, there are one of two ways that one would verify the accuracy and that the performance of the system is meeting its expectation. One is you have a set of sample variants or parts, either a mix of defective as well as okay components, and you maintain that, and every now and then you pass that through your vision system and ensure that the judgments are meeting your expected judgments. So let's say you have 10 defective parts and then you pass this through your machine vision system consistently. You need to ensure that your vision system is classifying all 10 parts adequately as defective. Another way to do this is through random inspection. So you stand at the assembly line and then you inspect, okay, as the parts are moving, is the judgment actually coming out to be as expected? But as you can imagine, these are neither rigorous enough or they're really ad hoc and not disciplined enough to ensure that all adequate or all different permutations and combinations are covered. Instead, you should adopt a more comprehensive and disciplined approach to verifying the accuracy of a vision system. After all, it's doing a very critical job. Most of our customers here at Qualitas use a grading module that we have developed as part of the Qualitas EagleEye platform. So using this grading module, a subset of images that are being inspected on the assembly line is being sent via a cloud application and presented to a human grader. The human grader could be a factory expert and a subject matter expert or a quality inspector, or if it doesn't really require any kind of subject matter expertise, it could be any kind of service engineer. But if there's a human element who is cross-verifying that the image that is inspected by the system matches the judgment a human would actually take. Now, you may be wondering, but then what's the point of having a vision system if everything needs to be checked by a human? And that's the beauty of it. You don't need to check everything. So the algorithms are designed in such a way that only a subset is intelligently selected. So for instance, it could be images which resulted in a low confidence prediction, or it could be a specific set of SKUs which has a very low volume of production. Or it could be a random sample uniformly distributed over time, so you have adequate representation in the day, in the night shift, as well as across different days of the week. So there you're ensuring that you have adequate representation and you're covering different samples instead of a very small window in the previous two examples that I cited. So when these images are presented to a human, you're able to quickly determine that the judgment taken by the vision system is actually matching your expectation. If it does match, you would grade them as okay, and if it doesn't, you would grade them as not okay, and an accuracy score can be computed. You could also type in the expected result, so then you can go do deeper analysis as to what really went wrong if there is misjudgment or misclassifications. And in this way, you're able to maintain the records and actually see the trends of accuracy over time and how it trends as the models gets improved. So the next time you install a vision system, make sure you're actually using a comprehensive approach to ensure that the vision system is doing its job so that you're maximizing the benefits that this has to offer. Thanks. Hope this video is useful and have a great day.